Good morning, Karil Hiniero Tips. Yan, usapang buildings permit naman tayo. Sino nga ba yung mga exempted sa buildings permit? Okay? Meron tayong National Building Code dito mga idol. Ang sabi dito siya, National Building Code mga idol is dito sa Section 209, Exemption. Public buildings and traditional indigenous family dwellings shall be exempt from payment of buildings permit fees. Sabi niya dito, as used in this code, the term traditional indigenous family dwelling means a dwelling intended for the use and occupancy by the family, okay, of the owner only, and constructed of native materials such as bamboo, nipa, logs, or lumber, the total cost of which does not exceed 15,000 pesos. Okay, narinig nyo yun mga idol? Sila yung mga exempted. So, ibig sabihin, kapag hindi ka indigenous people mga idol, kailangan mong mag-acquire o kumuha ng buildings permit mo para hindi ka mabigyan ng penalty ng ating buildings official. Okay? Sinasabi niya dito maliwanag mga idol. Okay? Share nyo to para sa madaming tips na ating gagawin.